Hello, welcome guys. Today I'm going to analyze DXY from monthly time frame to the 4-hour time frame. So stick with me from the start of this video up to the end of this video, guys. I will share my opinion on the movement or on the trend of DXY. Before we proceed, please guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so as we can push this together. And if you have any suggestion on which pair you want me to analyze for the next video, please leave your comment. And also, if you want to join in my free Telegram channel, please click the link in my description, will direct you to my free Telegram channel. So without wasting any time, guys, let us start. Guys, this is DXY. This is DXY on monthly time frame. We are going to analyze it so as we can use this information to other major pairs, especially or major pairs with USD as the element in that pair. So we are going to use information from DXY so as we can determine the trend of other pairs. By starting here, guys, this is a big picture of market trend of this DXY. As you can see, this is uptrend, as you can see here. Let me try to show you by using this line. Roughly, this is what I see, guys. Like, this is uptrend, this is roughly what I can see. So this is uptrend. Let us come closer to the most recent information from the chart. Here, guys. By using these tools, I can show you guys one important thing here. So I can show you guys one thing here. What we call this, this is resistance. All right. This is the resistance, guys. So as you can see here, guys, the market made this previous higher, but the market managed to break here. As you can see, this big strong candle broken this resistance and turned it into support. So once the resistance is broken, then that becomes support. The same applies to support. When the support is has been broken, then that turns to resistance. That's it. So here we have this resistance, but now I can say this is no longer resistance. This is support. This is support because resistance has been turned into support. So as you can see, guys, the market has bounced on this support several times, but I think this will be the real move from this support. So let us go down to lower time frames so as we can see, or we can meet a simple setup or simple trend, a simple look of this chart, guys. Okay, let's go to weekly time frame. This is a weekly time frame. As you can see, it is mostly, it has too much candle than the monthly time frame. So I hope we can see another information here that will be helpful to determine the lead trend of this DXY. So we can't concentrate on these previous information. These are no longer needed, but we can just plot plot an area that will cover that will have more relative, that will be more relevant compared to other information. So I think we'll concentrate on this area, guys. Let me show. We will concentrate on this area because this is a current is most currently compared to other informations before this. So let me remove this, so you can proceed. Okay, on monthly on weekly, yeah, sorry guys, I mean on weekly time frame, let me show you guys the left free or the left trend of this pair in this time frame. Yeah, the market moved like this, then like this, then like this, then like this. Okay guys, so here from this point up to this one, I mean down below, I mean coming to this point, the market was down trend. Why? Because the market was breaking lower lows and respecting lower highs. So that means this was a downtrend. But from this point toward this point, you can see guys here the market broken the higher, I mean the previous high low, I mean no, this is high low, low high, yeah, I guess lower high, yeah, managed to break this previous lower high. As you can see here, it broken this, so this changed the direction of the market. So we can say from this point, after this breakout, this becomes uptrend. So, and most recently you can see the market after breaking here, it made this big drop, but it didn't manage to break this previous low. I mean, then this making this like we still expecting for the market to push up or to proceed with uptrend. So here the market made this a minor channel or minor trend inside the single trend. I think this will be, if you want to see in a big picture guys, this will be like just a single move. This will be like just a single move guys. But within this single move, then there is a trend in it that tries to make or to form a single impulse move towards up direction. I mean towards this uptrend. So these are just like noise inside a single impulse that is moving upward guys. So by think that, so we are expecting this to form a single push up like this, a single drop like this, single drop made after the break of this market structure. So we are expecting again this to break this last high, so as we can proceed with uptrend. Let me get rid of these so as can proceed. So after knowing like this is the uptrend, we are going to concentrate, like I said before, on the most recent information on the chart. So here I think concentrating from here will be most accurate than comparing or than taking information far from this area. So starting here guys, let me take lead of this with this channel. Let me label this channel guys. Yeah, let me clone these. You see this channel guys, currently we be processing this chart to get a lead direction of this DXY guys. So within this channel, that will be our point of consideration. So I'll take this trend line away so as we can proceed with what we can see. So the first move was here, guys. The market pushed to this point, then pulled back, then managed to break that last high, then made a retest here. So here there must be there must be, let me draw it here. There must be a resistance. This was the resistance zone, guys. The market was trying to push, then it gets some rejection. If you go to small time frames, you see some consolidation here, guys, because this was strong resistance. But after this big move to occur, then managed to break this last high or to break this resistance. Managed to break this resistance, then turned it into support. So as you can see, guys, after the resistance got broken, then the market turned this zone to support. Let me label this again. Previously it was resistance, but this time it is a support zone. Okay, here we go, guys. I think we are done with weekly time frame, and it will be fine if we go a little bit down to lower time frame, daily time frame. Yeah. Why, guys, it's important to do analysis in higher time frame. Then I mean, like, you are doing top down analysis from, let's say, from monthly time frame to, let's see, up to this hourly time frame. It's important because, as you can see here, guys, our support is valid here. But if you took analysis in lower time frame, let's say you started with just the daily time frame, I mean, your support should be here. So if your support should be here, then how about this chart that moved very far below this support zone, and support should be respected? So what about this support? I mean, about this chart, and you can say, like, okay, if this is support, then the market broken this support and came back to test here, and this will be a down move. But all over the sudden, the market knock you out by KO, yeah, just by reversing too fast. So let me take lead of this, because this is not a valid support. This is valid support because it came from higher time frame. So up to this time frame, guys, we already collected two informations, and those information helps us to keep will help us to determine the lead trend of this DXY. So the first one of this higher time frame support, and this medium, I guess a medium, because we took this from weekly time frame. Okay, then what next? Next, I think as you're doing analysis and you're moving from top to down, just plot your most active area to concentrate. As you can see here, guys, by analyzing this area, let me use this here, guys. This is the area that we have to put much attention on it, to pay much attention on it. So as you can see here, guys, no liquidity should be, no gaps that should be covered or imbalance should be covered. You can say here, but this is very small gap that has been produced. But how about this? So this retracement, the host retracement came this, moved to this extent so as to cover these imbalance from this candle and these two big candles. There was no balanced trade here because buyers were pushed without even I don't know how to say, but this is imbalance, guys. Just know this is imbalance. I will cover it on other videos next time, but just know, like, having a big move like this with no selling candlestick or bearish candlestick, only bullish candlestick, this means there is imbalance in the market. So the whole move came back just to fill these gaps or to fill this imbalance. These big moves just started here, guys. This implied, like, here there must be this price had a very strong buying pressure, or many buyers entered here. Why they entered here? There must be, let's see, there were like a big demand. That's why they bought it, right? So we can use this last candle as our what? As our demand zone. Yeah, like our demand zone, because this price, the way market moved very sharply, guys. That means many buyers entered here because the demand was this implies like the demand was very high. That's why I labeled this as the demand. So if we were like on point, like we were active when the market is in here, then this should be our entry point, though we should check on other confirmations in lower time frame. But according to our chart here, the market has moved too far, guys, away from this point. So that means we are late. So that is not bad, because we can look for other entries, other opportunities inside these USD dollar index. Yeah, US dollar index. I used to trade this DXY because this is an index and you can trade it as a pairs. Yeah. So though you can also use as confirmations to other USD pairs. I mean, when I say USD pairs, I mean like USD or other pairs. Like, I will explain to you guys what I mean by pressing those, by lighting those XX. Yeah. So here we have two type of pair. This pair start with USD, then as a pair, I mean like other currencies. Guys. It can be USD chief, it can be USD card. I mean, XX represent is a card, euro, I don't know anything. Here it can be euro USD, GBP USD, it can be, yeah, whatever, guys. Also, any pair with USD in it, that will be affected by the move of UDXY. So if the market, let us start by these pairs where USD, it is in the beginning, like, yeah, USD something. So when you say USD chief, if the XY is going upward or it is in a uptrend, then also this USD something or USD chief, USD card will move up, or we go up, or we adapt the uptrend. But if the on the same scenario, if the DXY is moving up then all pairs with let's say EURUSD, GBP anything that is start is not USD, then end up with USD, then that will adapt a negative move, like it will go against the DXY. If the DXY is going up, then that pair will go down. So if I say that this is EURUSD and this is DXY moving upward, then EURUSD will go downward. So after analyzing where your DXY, then you will have advantage of determining the move of other pairs, especially all pairs with USD in it or in them. I think, guys, that idea by explaining that idea, that will be very simple for you guys to determine the use of DXY in your trading, guys. Let me delete these because we no longer need them. Okay, let us proceed, guys. So here on daily, I said this could be our prior entry, but according to time, the market has moved 2 days before, so we are no longer like good to go with this trade. So to remove unnecessary information on it, I will delete this. So we will stick with our support that is valid, and then I will add some other instrument. I will add other instrument here, guys. That will be trend line, guys. As you can see here, guys, the lure of applying trend line, you must your chart should be your trend line should touch 2 points on chart. That will be this the first one, and this is the second one. So that is valid trend line. If any trend line is drawn within just a single point in the chart, that is not a trend line. But 2 points and above, that's okay. It can be 2, 3, 4, wherever, as long as it connects 2 or more than 2 points on the graph, then that is a legit trend line, guys. So here our trend line perfect pressed there. So I think we are good to go to the lower time frame. That will be our entry time frame, and I use it to enter my trades. So, guys, as we keep going down, like I said, we should focus on the most recent information or recent area on the chart. So let's go to 4 hour time frame. Oh, sorry, guys, this is good for her. Oh, wow, time frame. Yeah. This is our 4 hour time frame, guys. So looking on by checking it, guys, you can see this has been like a channel. Let me clone this for easy understanding, guys. You see, guys, it is like a channel. So the market was inside the channel, and the channel has been broken. That means this channel was a bearish, like moving down, but after breaking it, it means like to go against it. Here, if it will go against it, then guess what is the trend? Then the trend will be upward. Alright, so my big expectation is this trend line has followed all rules of drawing this trend line. So my suggestion here is to wait for the retracement. I don't think like this will be this DXY will just move upward. No, I think it will make a little test on it on the trend line. Like this. Yeah, it can be here or touch the trend line. I don't know, but to touch the trend line, no, that is impossible. But it may be test then proceeding with this upward movement, guys. So I think that will be enough for DXY, and I already knew like this is uptrend. DXY, then for how, yeah, this is for our price here. Yeah, I think this pair is already important to me and other my followers in Instagram, also all subscribers in my free Telegram channel. I think I'll provide here this information so they can think on themselves, or they can criticize it toward the confirmations and other stuff, or use this information to hold their trades or to execute their trade or make analysis on other major pairs, especially with USD. So I will screenshot it. Yeah, I screenshot it. Ready to share in my free Telegram channel. So if you are not in my free Telegram channel, please tap the link below. I mean the link in the description there, that will direct you to my free Telegram, where I post this analysis and other information from my VIP channel. Yeah, so all the information will be available in my public Telegram channel. So please go and check it. If you are not in it, just join it. Thanks guys for listening, and I wish you a nice week with better result. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe once again, guys. Don't forget to subscribe so as we can push this together. Subscribe to our channel for further videos and other more information about forex trading. Thanks guys. Hello, welcome guys. Today I'm going to analyze the XY from monthly time frame to the 4-hour time frame. So stick with me from the start of this video, the end of this video, guys. I will share my opinion on the movement on the trend of DXY. Before we proceed, please guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so as we can push this together. And if you have any suggestion on which pair you want me to analyze for the next video, please leave your comment, and also if you want to join in my free Telegram channel, please click the link in my description, will direct you to my free Telegram channel. So, without wasting any time, guys, let us start. Guys, this is DXY. I mean, this is DXY on monthly time frame. We are going to analyze it so as you can use this information to other major pairs, especially all major pairs with USD. The element in that pair, so we are going to use information from DXY so as you can determine the trend of other pairs. By starting here, guys, this is a big picture of market trend of the CDXY, as you can see. This is this is uptrend, as you can see free. This is what I see, guys. Like, this is a trend. This is love free. What I can see. So this is a trend. Let us come close to the most recent information from the chart. Yeah, here. By using these tools, I can show you guys one important thing here. I can show you guys one thing here. What we call this is resistance. This is resistance. So as you can see here, the market made this previous high, but the market managed to break here. As you can see, this big strong candle broken this resistance and turned it into support. Yeah, so once resistance is broken, then the can support the same price to support when the support is has been broken, then that turns to resistance. That's it. So here we have this resistance, but now I can see this is no longer resistance, this is support. This is support because resistance has been turned into support. So as you can see that the market has bounced on this support several times, but I think this would be the real move from this support. So let us go down to lower time frames so as you can see how we can meet a simple setup or simple trade, simple look of this chart, guys. Okay, let's go to weekly time frame. This is a weekly time frame, as you can see. It is mostly it has too much candle than the massive difference. So I hope we can see another information here that will be helpful to determine the lead trend of this can't concentrate on these previous information. I mean these are no longer needed, but we can just put put an area that will cover that will have more relative, that will be more relevant compared to other information. So I think we concentrate on this areas. Yeah, we concentrate on this area because this is current is most current compared to other informations before this. So let me remove this. So you can proceed. Okay. On monthly, on weekly, yeah, sorry, I mean on weekly time frame. Let me show you guys the laugh free the laugh trend of this pair in this time frame. here from this point to this one, I mean down below, I mean coming to this point, the market was down trend. Why? Because the market was breaking lower lows and respecting lower highs. So that means this will say downtrend, but from this point toward this point, you can see, guys, here the market broken the higher, I mean the previous high, I know, I know this is high low, low high, yeah, I guess low high, yeah, managed to break this previous low high, as you can see here, it's broken this, so this changed the direction of the market. So we can say from this point, after this breakout, this becomes uptrend. So, and most lesson tree, you can see the market after breaking here, it made this big drop but it didn't manage to break this previous low. Then this making this like we still expecting for the market to push up or to proceed with uptrend. So here the market made this a minor channel or minor trend inside this single trend. I think this will be, if you want to see a big picture, guys, this should be like just a single move. This be like just a single move, but within this single move, then there lies trend in it that tries to make or to form a single impact move towards updation. Towards this uptrend. So these are just like noise inside the a single impact that is moving upward. So I think that we expect push up like this, a single drop like this, single drop made after the break of this market structure. So we are expecting again this to break this last high, so as you can possibly uptrend. Let me get rid of these so as can proceed. So after knowing like this is the uptrend, we are going to concentrate like I said before on the most recent information on the chart. So here I think concentrating from here will be most accurate than comparing out than taking informations far from this area. So starting here, guys, let me take radio this with this channel. Let me label this channel currently be processing this chart to get a lead direction. This CDXY. So within this challenge, channel, that will be our point of constellation. So I'll take this trend and away so as we can proceed so we can see. So the first move was here, guys. The market pushed to this point, then pulled back, then managed to break that last high, then made support retest here. So here there must be a there must be, let me see, there must be an resistance. This was the resistance zone, guys. The market was trying to push they need to get some rejection. If you go to small time frames, you see some consolidation here, guys, because this was strong resistance, but after this big break this resistance managed to break this resistance, then turn it into support. So as you can see, after the resistance got broken, then the market turned this zone to support. Let me label this again. Previously it was resistance, but this time it is support zone. Okay. Here we go, guys. I think we are done with weekly time frame, and it will be fine if we go a little bit down to lower time frame, day time frame. Yeah. Why, guys, is important to do analysis in high time frame, then I mean, like, you are doing top-down analysis from, let's say, from monthly time frame, from monthly time frame to, let's see, up to this hourly time frame. Is important because, as you can see here, our support is valid here, but if you took analysis in lower time frame, let's see, you study with yesterday time frame. I mean, you are your support should be here. So if your support should be here, then how about this chart that move the very far below this support zone, and support should be respected. So what about this support? I mean, about this chart, and you can select, okay, if this is support less, then the market broken this support and came back to test here, and this will be a down move, but all over the sudden the market knocked you out by KO. Yeah, just by reversing too fast. So let me take a little of this because this is value support because it came from high time frame. So up to this time frame, guys, we already collected two information. And those information helps us to keep will help us to determine the latest trend of this DXY. So the first one of this high time frame support and this medium medium because we took this from weekly time frame. Okay, then what next? Next, I think as you keep as you're doing analysis and you're moving from top to down, yes, put your most active area to concentrate. As you can see here, guys, by now analyzing this area. I'm in this area. Let me use this. Here. This is the area that we have to put much attention to pay much attention on it. So as you can see here, no liquidity should be, no gaps that should be here, but this is very small gap that has been produced, but how about this? So this retracement, the host retracement came this moved to this extent, so as to cover these imbalance from this candle and these two big candles. There was no balance to trade here because buyers were pushed without even I don't know how to say, but this is imbalance, guys. Yes, no, this is imbalance. I will cover it on other videos next time. But yes, no, like having a big move like this with no selling candlestick or bearish candlestick, only bullish candlestick. This means there is imbalance in the market. So the whole move came back just to fill these gaps, so to fill this imbalance. These big moves, yes, it started here. This implies like here there must be what? This this praise had a very strong buying pressure. Many buyers entered here. Why they entered here? There must be, let's see, there were like a big demand. That's why they bought it. So we can use this last candle. This last candle. As what? As demand zone. Demand zone. This praise the way market moved very sharply. Yes. That means many buyers entered here because the demand was then this implied like the demand was very high. That's why I leave this as the demand. So if we were like on point, like we were when we were active when the market is in here, then this should be our entry point, so we should confirmations in your time frame, but according to our chart here, the market has moved too far, guys, away from this point. So that means we are late. So that is not bad, because we can look for other entries, as opportunities inside these USD dollar index. Yeah, US dollar index. I used to trade this DXY, because this is an index and you can trade it as a pairs. Yeah. So though you can also use as confirmations to other use the pairs. I mean, when I say use the pairs, I mean like other pairs like I will explain to you guys what I mean by pressing those letting those XX yeah. So here we have two type of pair. These pairs start with USD, then as pair, I it can be USD it can be USD card. How many XX represent is a card? You don't know anything. Here it can be Euro, USD, USD can be, yeah, whatever guys. Also, any pair with USD in it, that would be affected by the move of UDXY. So if the market, let us start by these pairs where USD it is in the beginning, like, yeah, USD something, USD something. So when you say USD cheap, if DXY is going upward, oh, it is in an uptrend, then also this USD something or USD cheap, USD card will move up, or we go up, or we adapt to uptrend. But if the on the same scenario, if the DXY is moving up, then all pairs with let's say USD, anything that is not USD, then end up with USD, then that will adapt against the DXY. DXY is going out. Then that pair go down. So if I say that this is USD and this is DXY moving upward, then USD will go downward. So after analyzing where your DXY, then you have advantage of determine the move of other pairs, especially all pairs with USD in it or in them. I think that idea by explaining that idea, that will be very simple for you guys to determine the use of DXY in your trading, guys. Let me delete these videos. No longer need them. Okay, let us proceed. So here on day, I said this could be our prior entry, but according to time, the market has moved 2 days before, so we are no longer good to go with this trade. So to remove unnecessary information on it, I will delete this. So we that is valid, and then we had some other instruments. Instrument here, guys. I'll be changing. As you can see here, the lure of prime children, you must your chat should be I mean your trader should touch 2 points on chat. That will be this first one, and this is second one. So that is validity trend. If any trend is drawn within just a single point in chart, that is not a trend, but 2 points and above, that's okay. It can be 2, 3, 4, well, as long as it connects to or more than 2 points in the graph, then that is a legit trend. So here our trend line perfect precedent there. So I think we're good to go to the lower time frame. That will be our into time frame, and I use it to enter my trades. So guys, as we keep going down, I said we should focus on most recent information or recent area on the chart. So let's go to our from oh sorry this yeah. This is for hard time frame, guys. So look on by checking it, guys. You can see this has been like a channel. Let me on this for easy understanding. You see, guys, he's like a channel. So the market tools inside the channel, and the channel has been broken. That means this channel was bearish. I mean, like moving down, but after breaking it means like to go against it. Yeah. If it will go against it, then guess what is the trend? Then the trend will be upward. So my big expectation is this trend line has formed all rules of drawing this trend line. So my suggestion is to wait for the retracement. I don't think like this will be a little. This drags will just move upward. No, I think it will make a little bit test on it on the trend line. This. Yeah, it can be here or touch the trend line. I don't know, but touch the trend line. No, that is impossible, but it may taste then proceeding this upward movement. So I think that would be enough for XY, and I've already knew like this is important to me, and as my followers in Instagram, all subscribers in my free Telegram channel. I think I'll provide here this information so they can think on themselves, how they can criticize it for their confirmations and other stuff, or use this information to hold their trades or to execute their trade or make analysis on other major pairs, especially USD. So I'll screenshot it. To share in my free Telegram channel. So if you're not in my free Telegram channel, please tap the link below. The link in the description there, that will direct you to my Instagram, where I post these analyses and other information from my VIP channel. Yeah, so all the information will be available in my public Telegram channel. So please, please go and check it. If you are not in it, just join. Thanks guys for listening, and I wish you a nice week with better results. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe once again, guys. Don't forget to subscribe so as we can push this together. Subscribe to channel for further videos and more information about forex trading. Thanks guys.
ये बघ ये 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 ऊपर बात कर